It's a beautiful fall day and I am still picking from my garden. My garden has been so good to me this year, and I'm going to show you a little bit about what I have going on. I'm making a roast today, and so I'm going to put some collard greens in there, and those are actually growing really nicely now as well. And I have so many tomatoes left, and I'm just going to let them go for a little bit. Some of them are ripening, but then I'm probably going to do some fried green tomatoes this week and look up some other green tomato recipes because these are really, really yummy. So let me show you the rest of it. Oh, my eggplant are doing amazing as well. These, I don't know if this is an heirloom or not, but it's the sweetest eggplant I've ever had. And there's a couple real nice ones down there. I'll probably wait to pick a little bit of that. I guess I'll have some peppers coming in. This actually, I guess, have a little eggplant growing there that will probably not do much, but there's another eggplant over here. Let's see what it's doing. Oh boy, look at this guy down here. I think we'll pick that one. That looks, oh, and there's another one right underneath there. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna take that off. That'll do really nicely on the grill. Brush it with a little bit of olive oil. And, oh yeah, little grilled eggplant never hurt anybody. And then these pepper plants have, so I did not buy green pepper plants, but every plant that I bought, every pepper plant I bought is green. So I don't know what's going on. And I have another friend of mine that said the same thing happened to her, that all of her green peppers, all of her peppers turned green. These are the best green peppers. I do not like green peppers because they have this really very strong flavor. These are fresh and crisp. They're just amazing. Oh my gosh, look at all of this. Now I've got I don't know if I should harvest that or just leave it. The leaves I think are too mature now to eat, and that is borage. But the flowers are edible, and this is actually really good for bees. Love this. And so that was just two tiny little plants, and it's just taken over. So it's doing amazing. All right, let's see what else we have over here. Throw that in there. So the tomatoes they toppled over in a storm, and I really needed a second person to help me lift all this up. And I didn't have one, so they just stayed here on the ground. And you can see these are these beautiful, see that color there? Those are these. So I'm gonna pick these and let them ripen inside, because that was probably the best tomato I'd ever had. And I'll just leave that one on the ground and let it do its thing. There we go. Pick one here. All right, let's see. There's a whole bunch. You can see there's a bunch of tomatoes over there turning. So I'm gonna get over there and pick those, and just trying to step my way across. Ugh. Okay, here's more of those. The heirloom purpley green ones. And those over there, they're a yellow heirloom, but the nice thing about those is that when they are green, they make the best fried green tomatoes. They're really, really hearty and beefy. And I have to say that when they're ripening now, they're still really good, but they're a little bit grainy with this cold weather. And yeah, see this one, we're gonna pick this one because you can see it's starting to split on top. So we'll take that in. See how it's like a dark green on top? It'll stay like that. It's just an amazing tomato. And I did save some seeds from these. Oh wow, look. This squash has just been prolific. I mean, the plant is dead and it's still producing fruit. So we're gonna set this over here and hope that Bentley just leaves that alone. Say hi, boy. He's like, why can't I be in there with you? All right, so we'll get that out of there. Yeah, this squash plant has just gone absolutely bonkers. I have squash for days. I don't even think I can give my squash away. I got so much. All right, so pull that out. This is just cilantro that's gone to seed. And so we got some seeds here. So that's coriander. So I could pull that out and use that. Coriander's really, really lovely spice, used a lot in Middle Eastern cooking. So let's see, my collards, how are my collards doing? Man, they still are getting eaten up. So I don't know. It doesn't look like I'm gonna have collards to put in with my roast. Yeah, I don't know. They're pretty. Let's see if there's even just a couple over here. I love when I can put collards in with a roast. Let's see. That's not so bad. So then you have to really look on the back to see if any of the larvae are hanging out there. Oh, there's a young one. We'll take that one. And so, anything else? Oh, there's a young one. Another young one. Toss it over there. Yeah, and then of course this is my cauliflower that they just absolutely destroyed. The cabbage moths. Just, I mean, you can see they had a field day with that one. So, okay, I'm gonna get in here. I'm gonna pick some of these collards. I have to dig a little bit. I need 2 hands to find the good leaves, the ones that haven't gotten all eaten up and don't have a ton of larvae. I'm gonna go and continue on my day. So, yeah, the garden has done amazing. Probably best garden I've had in absolutely forever. And so it's really been an incredible garden. I have eaten so much off of this garden. I've given away so much. And of course I'm canning and just doing all kinds of, preserving as much of it as I can. So it's gonna be a good winter this year. So, all right, I hope you like this and hope you like the fall garden tour. So it is tiny but mighty. All right, have a great day. See you soon.